Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Nonita Kabi. I'm 39 years old. I'm a single mother. I have two kids with their age 11 years old and 6 years old, boy and girl. I'm a college level under the course of BA Ed.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad as a domestic helper?
Yes, Madam and Sir. I have experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 2 months finished contract.
Okay. What are your duties and responsibilities in your previous job?
I do cleaning the house. I do household chores like cleaning, washing, gardening, car washing, and other household chores.
Did you take care of the children?
Yes, sir. I taking care of children.
What the ages?
13 years old boy and 6 years old girl.
How about the adults?
They are 43 years old and 41 years old.
Okay. Do you know how to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, sir. By feeding milk, changing diaper, taking a bath, and changing clothes.
Can you sing a song?
Yes, Madam, sir. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Daddy wants to play.
Okay, that's good. Can you cook well?
Yes, sir.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, sir.
Can you describe your personal character attitudes?
Yes, sir. I'm a hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and loyal.
How do you perform as a domestic helper?
I do cleaning the house. I taking care of kids as my own, and I follow the rules and regulation of my employer, and I promise to finish my contract, 2 years contract with you.
Thank you so much.